Are we sleeping here tonight?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Is this our first night here all together?
Yeah.
Wow, this is exciting.
Okay, the plate on the
I think somebody's very excited. Hi, Miriam.
Hi.
Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Why did you want to be in the van tonight?
It's good as going our home.
This is our dry run because we still don't have our electrical system set up, so we're still connected to shore power right now. We're still working on our water setup, but we have a preliminary setup going on with drinking water. This isn't really where Miriam's gonna sleep in the camper van, but since we don't have the room ready yet, the loft, so
We're all gonna sleep here.
we're all gonna sleep here. Our own bed upstairs is actually just a little bit bigger than this, so I'm pretty sure we all fit. I don't know who's gonna have more bruises in the morning.
Miriam likes to flail around at night.
So this is gonna be when we discover what else needs to be improved in terms of, logistics, where things are supposed to be, extra storage, the dynamic, how we move with the three of us inside the van, getting used to having this amount of space, or little space, for ourselves.
So we'll see how the night goes. So far, so good. Oh. Are you gonna sleep there?
She farted in my face.
Ah!
Ew.
It's Vanlife, it's now or never. I'm gonna live forever. I just wanna live a long life. It's Vanlife.
Hi.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Welcome back to another episode of.
FilAmstagram.
So this is now our second day in the van, or our second night that we spent in the van as a family. And we're just taking this time before we can get out and travel because most of you are Filipinos. We're still on ECQ, Enhanced Community Quarantine, for those of you that aren't in the Philippines, which means a very strict way of just basically stay in your house. As they're saying, stay home, stay safe.
Or if you don't lock down, we'll lock you up.
What? So anyway, we decided to take this time to really try to plan out where everything's going to be going in the van. Just kind of live the life, even though we're sitting here in our garage. And just to see where we can put everything, see how we can organize everything. And as you can see, we have a big secret here. We always thought we had enough storage, but look at that. It's a mountain of pillows and sheets, and I think there's a few stuffed animals in there, huh?
Yeah.
But anyway, if you think you have enough storage in your vehicle, you don't. And most of you know that already that have been doing the van life. So luckily, where that window is up there, where we're gonna make Miriam's loft, she'll only be using the loft during the evening when she's sleeping or just resting to read a book or play with her animals. So she'll have books and stuffed animals up there, but they'll be along the edges. So in the middle, there'll be a lot of space during the day, so we can put this mountain of stuff right up there. So it'll be a perfect stash away for us. But yeah, it was a real eye-opener when we made the bed today and put the bed back up so we could sit on the sofa, here and eat.
This
And
is the Murphy bed up
yeah, that's
here.
the actual bed.
Yeah, and the baby is in here.
So our footage of our first night here, we've had the bed down the whole time. This is our first time actually having the bed up. So we decided to put the bed up so we can clean today and maybe get some stuff organized. We're really gonna plot out everything, every little nook and cranny that we have here. We're gonna have a specific spot for everything. So we don't go outside protocol, because when you go outside protocol in a van, it doesn't take long. It's just disaster. It looks like a typhoon came through or something. So we're gonna try to keep this organized. Right, Miriam? Miriam's the cleaner. She loves to clean.
She's also the tornado.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Our problem is at night. Well, she still doesn't have her loft bed, so she sleeps in between Paul and me, and she just takes up all the space available. You move a little bit, she takes up the space. We distributed. So I had her elbow in my eye a few dozen times last night.
But you sleep great, don't you, Miriam?
Yeah. Anyway, we're about to have breakfast. We haven't set up our real kitchen deal here since we're still hooked up to shore power and we're still just practically in our garage. We just cook this inside, but eventually we're gonna have the kitchen up and running when we have all our systems.
What do you want?
Yeah, and that's
Okay, you can say. What are we eating today?
Hot dogs.
But she doesn't eat hot dogs because she's a vegan. There's eggs.
Eggs. I eat eggs.
Oh, that means you're not a vegan. You're a vegetarian.
That's the only thing.
Yeah, that's the only thing that's animal product that you're actually eating. Are you gonna eat the tomatoes?
Yeah.
Yeah. You're gonna eat peanut butter sandwich?
Yeah.
Maybe. And of course we have chili garlic. That's the last of it. I thought we ran out. And we have coffee.
The chili garlic, I thought this had an S at the end of it.
No. That was not a legit company. This is from our friend. This is from our friend who does the chili flakes, chili garlic. That's the best one in town.
And he had a knockoff that was trying to steal his brand.
Good thing he had it registered already. And the coffee's ready? Not yet.
Yeah, I think it's ready.
Ooh,
Miriam has to push the button. Whoa.
Okay. Ooh, that's fast.
Okay, that's good.
Cool.
I'm hiding here beside my bathroom.
You're in the toilet. Okay, are we ready?
Ready?
Alright, so we got our bolt set up today. This is how we, it's just a kind of like, what do you call it, a hasp? Just pull that out. And then we'll have it on the other side, but right now we just have it clamped. And it just comes down by gravity, basically. Hopefully the thing's not in the way.
I hope not.
I think your elbow is.
Oops. Alright.
And there's our bed. Woo! It's as easy as that. Alright. Someone's ready to sleep.
Hey, whoops. Okay, that little sofa cushion also doubles as sort of an inclined part of the bed, head part that extends the bed a little bit more. Yeah. Alright, and I'm just gonna get the pillows. So this little space where we put the pillows temporarily is actually going to be the space for our, what, Miriam? What's supposed to be there? You don't know! It's our refrigerator! Yeah, so we've been waiting for months for our refrigerator that had been promised to us by a local supplier.
So good night, Miriam. Are you getting tired? I saw a yawn.
There's a hand. There's a hand.
Well, where are we right now?
Yeah, there's a hand. Why am I lying down on that hand? There was a hand.
We were able to organize a lot today. I think we got a lot done. There's still a lot more to do, but we're getting there. So
Yeah.
we love our tiny home.
Yeah, we'll see more of our progress tomorrow because there's just a lot more that still needs figuring out.
Well, that's the thing. We have to really use every little single square inch. When you're talking about a normal home, you're talking about square feet or square meters. Here, you're talking about square inches.
Yeah.
So I thought I had built a lot of storage into this place, but apparently I was wrong. We don't have a lot of our storage set up yet in the shower and toilet area, so there's a lot of closet space there.
Yeah, and under the sofa, we haven't tried to organize it yet because there's just, we have, there's a lot of tools in there, some hardware,
Few
and
scorpions, maybe.
in terms of storage space, we are trying to work it out so that we can put bins and still have a lot more to measure, make sure we get the right sizes and shapes, maximize all the space.
Yeah, and anything that doesn't fit, we just put it in a box and tie it to the back bumper with a rope. And we just drag it down the road. You like sleeping in the van?
You're already falling asleep. Okay, you have to say your prayers. Okay. These are our pillows, which was a problem the other day because we didn't know where to stash them inside the camper van. But Miriam had a different solution. She peed on them all. She's 4 years old. She's at that stage where she still pees in bed when she's asleep. So, yeah, we woke up in the middle of the night and there was pee everywhere on all of our beddings. We washed them yesterday and now it's time to dry. Hi!
Hi.
So this must be maybe day or night number 7?
7-ish.
I don't remember. So we've lost count already, but because of all these nights that we have been sleeping here in the van, we have finally come up with an arrangement that actually works for us. And this is it. Ta-da! So Miriam is now over there on that side near the window, near the wall, where she can kick and flail all she wants. And she's just gonna be hitting the window or the wall half the time.
At least 50% of the time.
At least 50% of the time. Although
The other 50% is right here.
will still be hitting me.
I will be at peace.
Yeah, at least that I can have this. Ow!
Oh!
Wait, do that. Peace. Okay, at least Paul will be able to sleep more comfortably when he actually needs to sleep. Alright, so thanks for joining us for another episode of FilAmstagram. And we hope that you stay tuned for the next episode, which will be about some of the changes that we have made in terms of storage in here to make our van life more convenient for us.
And as always, sending love from the Philippines.